posted it after my birthday vlog. I know I have all this stuff on because it's the same day, but kind of made a mess this morning, like a big one. So this video is gonna be a cleanup with me from like my birthday. Clean my birthday mess with me. That's what this is gonna be titled, or you're gonna see it before you even click on the video. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all the rundown on practically the big old mess that I made that I didn't have time to clean up this morning because I was rushing. So let me go ahead and show you guys the big mess. And yeah, look at this. I have tags in the sink. I have bonnets, makeup brushes, makeup bag, clothes that I wore the night before, makeup products. Ooh. Makeup products and other things that I needed. Amazon package because my makeup brushes that are in here were in this. Way to my room. I have all this stuff to pick up. Hold on, all that's where my headband came out of. Shoes, bonnets, shoe boxes. Look at my bed. It looks a hot mess. Then I have my backpack and stuff. I still have homework to do. My cords and stuff are everywhere. Drinks and lotion, water, and all this stuff. Like, just look at it, you know. I have socks on the floor. And honestly, everything just looks really crazy. I threw clothes here and hair because I needed to put it somewhere. Okay, so we're going to start in the bathroom because everything has to practically end up back in my room. So we're going to start with the smallest mess and then work our way to the biggest mess, hopefully. Okay, now for. I think this angle will work. I don't know why I can't talk today, but I can. Okay. This angle, damn. Okay, we're back at this angle because I don't like the other angle. Yeah, it's just too much, but I'm just, because I don't know where to put y'all. But it's fine. It's not really much to see. This is better. Okay. But how have y'all been, you know? How's y'all day going, you know, on this lovely February the 11th, on my birthday? I hope everyone had an amazing day, you know. If your birthday is coming up or it's past, comment down below. I would like to know. The fam would like to know. We all would like to know. So go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. I don't know what's going on. Like, I can receive comments because I can't receive comments because I did get a comment on one of my recent videos, but like when I go look at the videos myself, it says comments are disabled. So I don't understand why they're disabled because I turn my comments on. So I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna figure it out. And we're gonna get it on and popping. I'm gonna do what I got for my birthday thing. So yeah, I had a good day. If you were wondering, today was a really good day. Not just because it's my birthday, but just because of things that are actually happening, like things that actually happened today. It was just a really, really, really good day, you know? I for a mess with it. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna stop rambling. But before I stop, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because still games, Liz Gang at all gangs. And make sure you smash that bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. And yeah, so I'm gonna start talking now. Now, I cleaned up my mess in the bathroom, and the bathroom looks normal back to the way it's supposed to be. Clean, you know? Yeah. So now we're gonna go. Ooh, y'all can't see me. Now we're gonna go and clean up this mess. This mess isn't that bad. Like, it's bad, but it's not bad. Like, I'm pretty sure. So you telling me I've been cleaning, thinking I've been recording this whole time and I haven't? Oh, y'all got me bent today because I'm over here talking to the camera. It's not even recording. That makes me mad. So practically, I straightened up that desk. There's no more cups and bottles and stuff. I made up my bed. And I just picked up like trash and stuff that was on the floor. Now I have to hang up all my clothes and stuff like that. Get all those clothes that I showed y'all that I just stuffed in there. Put those shoes up there. And that's practically it. I'll be done. But that makes me mad. I was sitting here talking, thinking I was recording. For what? That's annoying. But that's annoying. Like, what the heck? Come on. Okay, so now I have to move y'all, but I don't know where I'm gonna put y'all. You know, I'm gonna put y'all. I'm gonna make my sister better, you know, too. But I'm gonna put y'all here. I'm just making angles, boy. I should make angles for a living. Anyway, so practically, oh, and then I put up some of my sister's stuff too. And yeah, so I have to hang this jacket up. Have to put this hat up. I had to put those socks that there were some socks over there. I need to put those in the dirty clothes. This hair goes up there. I need to put the shoes up. I'm gonna make up my sister's bed, and I need to fold those blankets up. And then after that, I'm gonna take out that trash bag because honestly we don't need it. It just builds more trash, and yeah, we don't need that. So and I cleaned out this chair that's here. That chair. There's only a water there, but I think it's my sister's, so I'm not gonna throw it away. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, and then I'm done, and then I'm gonna do homework. And this is gonna be, because I'm behind. I'm still 3 days behind. So practically this will be Nevuary day number 8. Number 8. And then the goal is to film a prank. You feel me? So that'll be day number 9. And then I still need 10 and 11. Well, my school vlog / get ready with me and stuff is number 11. But I need another video. Oh, what I got for my birthday. But that's not going to be up until later because I'm still receiving stuff. So this year Nevuary was just everywhere. But it's going to be more planned and better next year. Because the schedule is just... And then I didn't get the vlog as much as I wanted to today because today was a B-day, and B-day means college classes, and that B-days are boring, like so boring. So there was really nothing to record. Like in BCIS, which is my computer class, we didn't really even do anything, and I don't have time for that lady, so I'm not about to get in trouble by her in like court. If in speech, I did record them saying happy birthday to me, but that's practically it. And then I recorded at lunch. I didn't record in math because it's pretty boring in there. We just had a packet today that we needed to do that was finished by the end of the period. And then in English, I don't have time for that lady either. So I wasn't my schedule today wasn't really flexible enough to like help me get there. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling. But like, just know that next year is gonna be more put together, and that I do still have more videos coming out. So yeah, freaking man. Anyway, if you haven't already, go follow me on TikTok. The link will be in the description, in the down bar, or in the description box, the down bar, what the heck. But yeah, but now I'm just about to put this stuff up, and yeah. Comment down below if y'all want me to do scrunchies, pick my outfit for a week, because my sister just bought some scrunchies. Like, she got like 50, so might as well utilize them, and me and my sister can do that video together, or I can just do it if she doesn't want to. But yeah, let me know if y'all want to see that, and yeah, I would do that. But give me a like if you don't like these hangers either, because they be getting all wrapped up. They be getting all wrapped up and stuff with like my other hangers, and they bend and expand, and I'm just like, do your job, stay like this. But yeah. Okay, I'm done. Probably just need to take that trash out and put my socks in dirty clothes. And that is it. So yeah, if you did, oh, I just fold those blankets, but y'all don't want to see me fold blankets. That's pretty boring. But if you enjoyed this little clean with me session, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up because I really appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in for Nevuary for the second year in a row. We're getting better and better as the years progress. Yes. So yeah, just make sure you do that. Join the Thither Gang because the Thither Gang is this gang out of all gangs, like I said before. And yeah, bye guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.